all students, rainy season has started. You all know that this is the month of Sawan also, and the season have also changed. It means that now for the whole complete 1 month almost, the rainfall will come. All of you must take good precautions for this season. For example, you can bring a umbrella, you can bring an umbrella or carry a raincoat or protect your bags at least, because your books are also there. You must protect your bags with the covering so that it doesn't get wet. Are you able to understand what I am telling you? Rainy season, because see, every season has its own importance. Likewise, rainy season is also very important for us. Next, assembly is being conducted very nicely, but I would also add to it that slowly and eventually the students should also come over here. Mic arrangement should be such that students should come here and they should sing the song. Though ma'am sings the song and does everything very nicely, but eventually we want to transfer the skills to the students. So slowly student must come over here. Arrangement should be such that the student should speak the songs and do it on their own. The students who are talking in the front, please listen. Do not talk, beta, do not talk. Girls are very talkative. You should listen very carefully what the ma'am or the sir is telling over here. That means you will understand also, and at least you should grasp the thing that is being going on. So my point is that we have to transfer these skills to the students. So from the coming times, you should also take an initiative and come over here, as ma'am will select you for the assembly speaking. Those who have good voice also, those who have good enchanting skills also, they should come over here and recite the prayer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes, because in school also the music club is also going to be formed. Music club members would be there and they would also play an important role in this. Next, my dear students, why I am telling you that we should transfer our skills to you, because skills are very prominent. Today is also a very special day related to skills only. Today, 15th of July, it is celebrated as the World Youth Skills Day. Repeat after me, World. Repeat after me, World Youth Skills Day. Always remember, today day is very important. World Youth Skills Day, right? World Youth Skills Day, because we all know that the population of our country is 146 crore plus. We have the highest number of population all over the world, but this population can only and only be going to lift our country forward if and only if we have skills with us. I told you earlier also that you also need to develop skills in yourself, whether be it refrigeration or air conditioning skills, be it electrical skills, be it mechanical skills, be it your communication skills, or be it manufacturing skills. Any kind of skills you have, you must develop some or the other skills, because the time of today we are living in, it is the time of skills, and we should learn something. We should not be a jack of all trades and master of none. Jack of all trades is that we know each and everything little bit, but we are not commanding a single thing. The time of today is such that we should master at least one skill. We should be better than others in at least that skill. Be it any skill. I told you, the people who are going door to door, they are doing electrical work. That means they have skills in them. Your parents are paying them per hour. If you call an electrician, right, your parents pay them 100 rupees, 200 rupees or even 500 rupees for just fixing a small fault in their electrical appliances. Or for example, this is an AC, right? If a fault is there in that AC, you call a technician and the technician does something in this, and your parents or your management, they pay them 500 rupees or even 1000 rupees. You know what is the reason? The reason is only and only skills, because they have acquired that skills that they can repair that AC. They have refrigeration and air conditioning skills. So in that way, skills are very, very, very necessary. I am stressing this point on record also. I am telling all the parents that today is the time of skills. Education though is very, very necessary. Students are getting the education, but along with the education, they need to learn some extra skills in themselves. In school also, you are being taught various kind of skills, like computer skills you are being taught. You are being taught various kind of music skills also, art skill also, communication skills also, reading skills also, writing skills also. If you master at least one skill, for example, if you master writing skills, God knows you would be growing up and becoming a good writer, right? So my point of stressing on skills today is that because today is World Youth Skills Day. Very quickly, one more last thing for you. Yesterday, relating to the sports person, also a sports lover, how many of you love cricket, love watching cricket? Raise your hand. How many of you love watching cricket? Okay, hands down, very nice. Lot of students. And India is playing against which country? Who will tell me? Right now, test match is going on, right? So India is playing against which country? Who will tell me? Let me see. अभी जो टेस्ट मैच चल रहे हैं इंडिया के, इंडिया कौन सी कंट्री के खिलाफ खेल रही है? इंग्लैंड. Yes. So that question I asked you in English, you didn't reply, and now I translated in Hindi, you replied. So try to understand. That is my motto, right? That is my motto. That is all our teachers' motto. Try to understand and correlate English language. Decode the English language in your mind. That's the only reason you will understand English. You are studying in English medium school. Try to learn English. Try to speak English. That we tell again and again. Right? So अभी इन्होंने सही बताया. India is playing against a country called England. और इंग्लैंड में अभी रिसेंट जो टेस्ट मैच चला कल, वो कौन से मैदान में हुआ? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल दिस? कौन से मैदान में, कौन से स्टेडियम में हुआ? दैट हैपेंड इन द लॉर्ड्स स्टेडियम. विच स्टेडियम? लॉर्ड्स स्टेडियम. एंड बाय बैड लक कहे कि इंडिया लॉस्ट दैट मैच जस्ट बाय 22 रन. इंडिया में जो प्लेयर्स खेल रहे थे 9 विकेट हो गए थे उनके, एंड उनको जीतने के लिए ओनली 45 रन चाहिए थे. एंड द विकेट कंडीशंस आर वेरी वेरी टफ. वहाँ पे रन बनाना भी बहुत टफ है. बट 2 प्लेयर्स वर देयर, राइट? जडेजा एंड वन मोर प्लेयर, मोहम्मद सिराज. दोनों ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से खेला, रन्स बनाए. बट बैड लक के कारण जो थे, जो सिराज थे, मोहम्मद सिराज थे, वो अपनी ही बॉल पे आउट हो गए, राइट। और बैड लक था, कुछ नहीं था इसके अंदर, बट दे वर स्ट्रगलिंग अ लॉट, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से खेल रहे थे। तो ये दिखाता है कि वी इंडियंस आर केपेबल ऑफ एनीथिंग। और जैसे कल बताया गया था आपको, स्पेस के अंदर पर्सन कौन है जो गए हुए थे, क्या नेम है उनका, कौन से पर्सन है अभी इंडिया के जो स्पेस में गए हुए हैं? कल भी आपको बताया था असेंबली में, किसी को नाम याद हो तो बताइए। द नेम इज मिस्टर शुभांशु शुक्ला। क्या नेम है? शुभांशु शुक्ला। और वो वहां से अब हमारी कंट्री में आने वाले हैं। कल चल दिए वो, अब आ जाएंगे वो 23 आवर्स की लॉन्ग जर्नी करके, बहुत तेज स्पीड के अंदर वो आएंगे। आ रही बात समझ में? तो अपनी जनरल नॉलेज को भी माय डियर स्टूडेंट आप इम्प्रूव करते रहिए। ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे, आपका फर्स्ट पीरियड ऑलरेडी चल रहा है। अपनी जनरल नॉलेज को भी इम्प्रूव करिए, नंबर 1। अपनी पढ़ाई लिखाई को इम्प्रूव करिए, नंबर 2। क्लास में शोर शैतानी बिल्कुल मत करिए, नंबर 3। और अपने एग्जाम्स के ऊपर पूरा फोकस करिए, नंबर 4। तो इन्हीं बातों के साथ में मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ। आज कोई बर्थडे गर्ल या बर्थडे बॉय है तो फटाफट से आ जाइए, हम उन्हें विश करेंगे सभी को। आपका बर्थडे आज, व्हाट इज योर नेम? आयशा। तो एक बार विश करिए आयशा का बर्थडे आज, क्लैपिंग के साथ में। बर्थडे सॉन्ग लाउडली, कम ऑन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
आज माइक की इसकी बैटरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई है, लेकिन आपकी आवाज जो है क्लैपिंग की बहुत तेज आनी चाहिए। और इनकी थैंक यू की आवाज भी देखते हैं कितनी जोर से निकलती है। बोलिए सबको थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर दिस। थैंक यू। चलिए अच्छे से पढ़ाई करिए।